Hi, I'm Dr. Chuck Lee with 7 Day Dental. Today we're talking about Orange County all-on-4 dental implants facility. As you know, if you're missing a tooth, the best thing to do is to place a dental implant. Because you have a one-tooth problem, you do not want to do a permanent bridge where you slender down two adjacent teeth or a partial where you take in and out. You want to keep it just one tooth. And with a dental implant, you're able to preserve the bone and you stimulate the bone so that your jawbone is not going to shrink and deteriorate. So not only at our office do we place implants, but afterwards we show you so that you can keep your implants for years to come. For example, we tell you food not to eat, such as hard food, or we recommend having a night guard to prevent you from clenching at night and damaging your implant. We also recommend not to smoke too much or even smoke, because smoking, research has shown that it does slow down the healing process and the integration of the dental implant. And after that, we also show you how to maintain your implants, such as flossing, but even better, we show you how to use a little toothpick, water pick, and show you how to maintain so that you can keep your implants for life. Thank you so much for watching.